Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve not installed on Magic Tiles 3, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Magic Tiles 3. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.